Have you ever walked into a big city and suddenly felt small? So many people, so many cars, so many tall buildings. And then someone asks you a simple question in English and your brain goes blank? You know the words, but they disappear. Today, we're going to fix that. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say in a big city, in taxis, in shops, on the street, everywhere.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Thank you. And today is going to be fun because big cities are exciting, but also scary when you don't know what to say.
Yes, maybe you go to New York, maybe London, maybe Dhaka, maybe any big city in the world. The streets are busy, people walk fast, everyone looks confident.
And you're thinking, oh no, how do I talk here?
Don't worry, today we will teach you simple, powerful English for big city life.
By the end, you will sound calm, polite, confident, even if you feel nervous inside.
So take a deep breath.
And let's start your big city English journey.
Okay, first situation. You are lost.
That happens a lot.
Yes, you are standing on a street, tall buildings everywhere. You need to find the train station.
What do you say?
Many learners say, "Where station?"
It's cute, but not correct.
Instead, say this, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Let's repeat together. Ready? Excuse me, can you help me?
Good. Again, slowly. Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. That sentence is magic. It opens the conversation politely.
Then you say, "Where is the train station?"
Or, how can I get to the train station?
That sounds natural. Big city people like clear, direct questions.
Let's do a mini role play.
I'll be the local person.
And I'm the visitor. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
How can I get to the train station?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. It's next to the bank.
See? Simple.
Now you try. Say the first line out loud.
Good. Big cities move fast, but polite English slows things down in a good way.
Okay, now you're in a taxi.
Or maybe Uber.
The driver asks, "Where to?"
Don't panic. Just say, I'm going to Central Park.
Or, "Please take me to this address."
If traffic is bad, you can say, is there a faster way?
Good. That sounds natural.
Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat. Please take me to.
Again, "Please take me to."
In big cities, taxi drivers don't talk much. That's okay.
But sometimes they ask, "Are you visiting?"
You can answer, yes, I'm visiting for a few days.
Or, "I just moved here."
That's it. Keep it short, keep it simple.
Wait, before we continue.
Most learners make one big mistake in cities.
They speak too softly.
Big cities are loud. Cars, buses, people.
So here's your mini challenge.
Say this sentence clearly and a little louder. Excuse me, can you help me?
Don't shout, but be confident.
Voice up, shoulders back.
Confidence changes everything.
And stay with us because near the end, we have a bonus tip that will make you sound supernatural in any big city.
You walk into a busy cafe.
So many people. The line is long.
It's your turn. The worker says, "Next."
Pressure.
But don't worry. Just say, "Hi, can I get a latte, please?"
That's it. Not I want latte.
"Can I get" sounds friendly and natural.
Repeat with us. Can I get a coffee, please?
Good.
If they ask for here or to go.
You answer, "To go, please."
Or for here, please. Let's do a mini role play.
I'll be the cafe worker.
Hi, can I get a sandwich and a coffee, please?
Sure, for here or to go.
To go, please.
That's $8.
Here you go.
Done. You survived the cafe test.
Big cities are busy, but sometimes people make small talk.
For example, in an elevator.
The quiet elevator moment.
Someone says, busy day, huh?
You can smile and say, yeah, it's really busy today.
Or, the city is always busy.
Keep it light. Keep it friendly.
Another situation. Someone asks, do you live around here?
You can say, yes, I live nearby.
Or, no, I'm just visiting.
That's enough. You don't need long stories.
Okay, time for a quick quiz.
Imagine this. You are lost. What do you say first? A, where train? B, excuse me, can you help me?
The answer is
B.
good.
Next situation. Cafe worker asks, for here or to go? You want takeaway. What do you say?
To go, please.
Yes.
You're doing great.
Big city English needs polite words. The magic 3. Please, thank you, excuse me.
These words open doors.
Literally and socially.
If someone bumps into you, say, excuse me.
If you bump into someone else, also say, sorry.
Short, kind, easy.
Stay with us for one more minute because this next tip will make you sound like you've lived in the city for years.
In big cities, people like short answers.
Not rude, just short.
Instead of, yes, I'm currently visiting this city for vacation.
Just say, yeah, I'm visiting.
Instead of long explanations, use simple phrases.
It sounds natural, relaxed.
Let's review today's big city survival phrases.
Number 1, excuse me, can you help me?
Number 2, how can I get to?
Number 3, can I get, please?
Number 4, to go, please.
Number 5, yeah, it's really busy today.
Repeat them later. Practice in front of a mirror.
Practice saying them while walking fast.
Feel like a city star.
Big cities can feel scary, but your English does not have to feel scary.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You need clear, simple sentences and confidence.
So tell us in the comments, which phrase will you use first in a big city?
And next time, we'll show you how to make friends in English even if you are shy.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
And remember,
You can speak English anywhere, even in the biggest city in the world.
see you next time.